I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the exact hash string and any associated metadata so you know what you are verifying. Once done, confirm you have permission and a safe copy of the hash. Make sure to note salt and iteration values because they change computation. Then choose the right tool for the algorithm: OpenSol for simple digests, bcrypt/argon2libs for slow hashes, or Hashcat for large candidate sets. This step prevents wasting time on incompatible methods or malformed inputs. You now recreate the hash from candidate passwords so you can compare deterministically. First, normalize the password bytes and any username or salt encoding. Mismatched encoding yields different digests. Next, apply the salt and the same iteration count or key stretching used originally, because one round versus many changes results dramatically. Run a few known candidates to verify your pipeline, then scale with optimized tools or word lists once the output matches expectations. You finish by comparing the computed digest byte for byte with the stored value. An exact match proves the candidate is correct. Once confirmed, immediately rotate the password if this was an audit, and make sure the system enforces modern hashing like Argon2 with adequate memory and iterations. If you fail to match, check common pitfalls: wrong encoding, salt omitted or in wrong position, or incorrect iteration counts. These checks usually resolve mismatches. If not, capture inputs and repeat with logging enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.